This is medical isolation boot cover machine. The medical boot cover is widely used in hospital to avoid catching the virus. This video will tell you how automatic machine produce boot covers. Through the combination of ultrasonic technology and automatic control components, the products can realize the automatic production of various processes. Also, the adhesive strip can be attached automatically. The size and shape of the products can be customized according to customer special requirements. It is the first choice for customer of low cost, high efficiency and high quality production.